Can I be like, gotta stay fresh, GLT!
Okay, so I'll show you where we were just at. We were just down right, hold on, it's not focusing. Right there at that tree. And then, wait, hold on, is it focused?
Yeah, it's focused. It is right there.
And we were down at the tree, and Kylie's like, hold on, she popped like her hood up, and she's like, gotta stay fresh, GLT. I was like, no, Kylie, it's GTL. So we just kind of like died laughing for a second. And we're in the woods, like literally, take a look. And then there's the river. And whatever. And we're gonna go find another it's not focusing, but we're gonna go find another location to take some more shots. So till next time, till next time, GLT.